Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through how to enable vibration for miscellaneous notifications in your Gmail app. This quick tweak can help you make sure you never miss an important update or alert, even when your phone is on silent. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you can control everything about how your phone and apps behave, including notification sounds and vibrations. Next, scroll down until you find apps, then tap on it. This section lists all the apps installed on your device. Find Gmail from the list. This is the app we want to adjust. Once you tap Gmail, you'll see several options related to app permissions and notifications. Now, tap Notifications. This is where all your Gmail alerts are organized into different categories so you can fine-tune which ones you want to receive and how they behave. Inside this menu, tap Notification Categories. These categories control specific types of Gmail notifications, like new mail, promotions, and other background alerts. Scroll down until you find the category labeled Miscellaneous. This one handles all the extra notifications that don't fall into the main categories. Tap on Miscellaneous, and you'll see a few settings to adjust. Finally, look for the Vibrate option and toggle it on. Once you turn it on, your phone will vibrate whenever a miscellaneous Gmail notification comes in. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in how quickly you notice updates. That's it. You've successfully enabled vibration for miscellaneous Gmail notifications. From now on, you'll feel a gentle buzz whenever those alerts arrive, even if your phone's sound is off. If this tutorial helped you, consider checking out more of my quick setup guides to keep your apps running just the way you like them. Thanks for watching.